Rhea Chakrabarti is attempting to delay the investigation and creating diversions to protect herself, alleges Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer, Mr. Vikas Singh. Mr. Singh has responded to Rhea Chakrabarti's complaint accusing Sushant's sister, Priyanka, of forcing the actor to take medicines based on a bogus prescription and declared that Rhea की ये complaint अपने आप में ही एक criminal offence है. After being accused by Sushant's father of poisoning his son with banned substances and facing multiple other allegations based on rumors and conspiracy theories, Rhea received a breather when chats between Sushant and his sister Priyanka emerged. In the chats, it seemed that Priyanka was aware of the actor's mental health condition and prescribed him medications while assuring him that she would get a prescription. Rhea's lawyer had then alleged that it was because of Priyanka's interference in Sushant's treatment that she and the late actor had fought and Rhea had left his apartment. Rhea has now filed a complaint accusing Sushant's sister of sending the late actor a bogus prescription that was forged and had false details like Sushant being an OPD patient. Now, Sushant's family lawyer, Mr. Vikas Singh, has attempted to counter Rhea's allegations and accused the actor of deliberately trying to divert the case and block the course of justice. Addressing a press conference, Mr. Singh shared, "I've been given a complaint filed by Miss Rhea Chakrabarti in Bandra police station. It's an effort to keep the jurisdiction of Mumbai police in this matter when the Supreme Court said complaints with regard to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput will be investigated by the CBI. Mr. Singh also declared such a complaint and an attempt to involve police authorities who have no jurisdiction in the case can itself be considered a criminal offence under the IPC. Speaking about the medical prescription given to Sushant, Mr. Singh said that it was issued under the telemedical guidelines issued by the Medical Council of India and the police have no jurisdiction in such matters. He also added that if the Mumbai police takes up Rhea's complaint, it will be contempt of court, which they will respond to accordingly. Reiterating that the Mumbai police had shown leniency towards Rhea, Mr. Singh said that Rhea's actions show that she needs to keep the Mumbai police involved so that she can have some hope that the course of justice may be diverted. Whether or not the Mumbai police takes up Rhea's complaint and what consequences this will have on Sushant's case being investigated by the CBI remains to be seen.